Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Karimi Emma, or you can just call me your homegirl. Ama unite kwako. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much and I appreciate your support. So today I'll be showing you how I retouch my faux locs, and this is just a before. I'm showing you how bad they look. Zimetokana, the roots are just angalia tu, you can see my hair because my hair is dyed. You can just see the scalp is also dirty. We need to slay, girl. We need to slay. This is not our hair. So the first step is washing my scalp and my hair. I'll just shampoo and condition, and if you want to know the rest of the steps, just stay and stick along. So here everything is just clean, and you can see I'm just scratching ndio uone hakuna any residue, hakuna mafuta. And if you do so upate kuna anything, just go wash your hair, and we are good to go to the next step. So I'll be using a crochet needle, some gel wax, and a spring twist I made myself. It's DIY. It's saving money, girl. If you want to know how I made them, I will link the video on the top right corner. It will direct you to where the video I posted before. So the next step is to unravel your spring twist to make it look fluffy. It helps increase the volume, and you just take a small piece you wanna retouch to peke, and using the gel wax, put some on your roots. I used it especially for around my head, like my hairline and my neck. Juu niko na baby hairs nasumbua sana. And don't use a lot. And I know you're questioning, does my hair get like locked? Juu nile gel ya ku lock nywele. It does not. Like I undid my hair and it is perfect. Open your crochet needle, pass it in the opposite direction that you like plaited your hair, then pick your braiding hair as you can see how I'm doing it, and pull side moja ikuwe refu than the other, then start wrapping. Isn't that easy? Very easy. Kuna vitu fai kwenda salon. And if you want to know how I do them from scratch, I will link it also in the top right corner. Just search that link and it will direct you to how I did these faux locs for the very first time. Wrap your braiding hair. Correct mali kuna dents, mali you can see your hair speaking through, and also like if you need to increase or shorten the length, you can use the braiding hair to correct the tips. Make sure you don't use a lot of hair. These things can get heavy if you like use excess hair. Be careful with that. Then I repeated the step that I did with the first one, and at this point I think you can just observe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button and don't forget to touch the notification button too, to get notified every time I post another new video. And yeah, I'll be so happy. Thank you. Wow, look, I'm done. It ona tu like inaachiliana like moja moja, aishikani. The roots are clean, the scalp, everything nice. Then because I'm usually very allergic, excuse me, to synthetic braiding hair, I use braid spray after doing my hair. I am not going to mention any brands that I've used because this video is not sponsored. Then after, for some shine, I use olive spray. Yani it leaves your hair looking nice. With that, I am done. Sikuchukua, I forgot to do the outro, but follow me on Instagram at its_karimi for every detail, yani everything I post there. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.